Hi and welcome to another Scratch My Pi video, and today I'm going to be showing how we can control a robot wirelessly. So I've got my tracked vehicle here and it's controlled, so there's no wires going to the computer, there's a bunch of wires on there. So I'm going to use my joystick control and it's going to put both of them forward slowly and it goes off. I'm going to bring them both my joysticks back and it stops. I'm going to put my right joystick forward, put my left joystick forward, bring my right joystick back, both forward, left joystick back, and then second make it do a complete U-turn, turning on its track. Up, out of the way. Come forward a bit. Back that way a bit. Back that way a bit. Bit more. And here we go. So I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to just show you the setup. So I've got down here an Arduino connected with a wire to the computer and my two joystick controls, normal Adafruit joystick controls, both going into A1, A0 and A1 on the Arduino. Over here is it's a Daegu two-wheel drive robot. It's got left and right motors. It's just got a normal H-bridge transmitter in the middle, L293 I think, and then it's got this flashing, there we go, let's get there, it's got the flashing Bluetooth EZ Link, and that is the heart of the system because it's flashing away, and the flashing means it's now communicating. Right, it's communicating with my Arduino wirelessly, and it's that communication that lets the robots work without wires. I'll get that focused onto there and then talk about how it works. So I'm going to go to the Scratch program. I'm just going to close down the COM port. It's in COM23. It's going to close it down. The reason I'm going to close it down is, for some reason, it's quite a slow connection between the two, so it makes looking for my Scratch program quite hard. So it's going to just close it down when it wants to. It's a bit slow at the moment. Don't quite know why. Right click, close port. Come on, computer. Okay, so whilst that's doing that, I'm going to go through the program. So we've got two Arduinos set up. Come on, close port. You see, it really slows it down. Maybe because it could just be my computer, couldn't be the best spec. So we've got Arduino 1, Arduino 2, that's the one with joysticks. It's got two variables, left and right, and they're the ones that are, there we go. And those are the ones that are controlling the power and the power variables. So if I make it big, and I just do my joystick control, see A0 goes up to that, 2023. I go down, A0 goes down to 0. So I can use that as a control for my left motor. I do A1, I push up, it goes to 0. I push down, it goes to 1023. That's because the joysticks are both different way round. So that's why they do that. So you've got to remember that in your program. So back over to the main program. Ignore that there. This is the main thing that I'm interested here. So basically, a simple program. With the H bridges, you need to have on and off and reverse it for each motor. So my left motor, if left value is more than 600, I turn the motor 10 on, 11 off, and I give it some power. If it goes under 300, the power reverses the polarity. So I've got 11 on and 10 off, and that just reverses the polarity. Actually, I might change that to both of them off here. That could explain something. Here, I'm going to put them both off. So at this point, both powers going to my motors are off. That might help later. Same thing here. If the light is more than 600, turn the 13 on, 12 off. If it's under 300, turn 12 on, 13 off. So again, that switches the power in there. And then that's going to just change that to digital 12 off and digital 13 off. And just back here, continue these two to both going off. If you're familiar with Scratch for Arduino, you'll just see that all it's doing is giving digital 10 to 11 power, if it's giving it power or it's not giving it power. So that goes back there. I'm going to reopen the port now, so it's on port 23. So it should find it. So it's searching for port 23. It's found it. Start it up. We're going to go back to there. Going to just zoom, make it like that, and let's see if that code change helped. And that's better. That's better. It's less jerky now. There we go. Going to go forward that way. Now Bluetooth should have about a 10-meter range. So I'm going to see. I've got a very small flat here. I'm going to see if I can get it going around my flat. Off it goes. Coming round this way. Coming back. Oh dear. Coming back this way. Both on forward. Both coming back. Perfect. And I said the main connection here is the Bluetooth EZ Link. You can buy that from the Adafruit store, or on the UK, just do a search for Bluetooth Adafruit Link. So a wireless robot. Obviously you can add more things onto that. This is a very simple robot. Add your laser on, add your lights on, add a webcam on. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll do another one soon. Take care. Bye.